Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, anytime you watch this video. Today, my name is Yugi Farshagraha. I'm from 20 KGA, and I will, me and my team will make a video of podcast that will discuss about uh, a theme. Okay. But first, let me introduce all of my team by themselves.
Hello everyone, my name is Zulfikar Muhammad Putra Mulia, usually called Zul or Fikar maybe. Uh, my hometown is Cirebon. I born on 10 March, 19 March, 19 March, 20, 20 and 10. Okay. My hobby is reading.
Okay.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. So my name is Satria Ijlal Mufindra, usually called Satria or Ijlal. I My hometown is in Cibubur. I was born in 10 March 2010, and my hobby is swimming.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Raden Nizam Rafa Mutakin here. Everybody usually called me L. Uh, I'm from Cibinong, and I was born in 4th June 2010, and my hobby is boxing.
Maybe that's all of my team. And now we will go to the next session. That's the podcast. The to say the important things on this video. Okay. I wanna ask all of you. Okay. About and the topic is reading book, or is reading book still important in this era? This topic is already popular in internet, and a lot of influencer already make about this topic. And now I will ask all of you, all of your point view, all of your uh what are you thinking about this? Fikar.
Reading book is important because uh, not just increase your intelligence, but physical book is more important than digital book. Why? Because in digital book we can open other than that book gitu. uh, Example, uh, me start reading book on digital, then there is notification TikTok, then I click the notification, then I lost focus of book and scrolling TikTok. Nah, physical book important because you support uh, little writer too. Yeah, maybe that's my opinion.
Satria, no, I want to ask you not about which one better, digital book or physical book, but is reading book still important in this era? Because we have AI, we have a lot of search information that we can use it easily, not like before. We need to search it manually, like in the book. Yeah. What do you think? Is that still important? We read a book that maybe not we say not in the same of what our field, or it's only like novel book. Is that still important in this era?
In my point of view, I think it's still important because AI can't explain the way a book can explain to you, because a book is made by a human and AI is just an automatic answer. So sometimes AI's answer is not always the same as the other book's answer. Sometimes if you have a quiz and then you ask AI to do the quiz for you, you sometimes don't get a perfect score because it's not the right answer. If you learn by reading the book, study the book and focus, you might get the perfect score. Even though it's not, even though you might get sometimes wrong or not. But with AI, if you like don't learn anything because you're just hoping for the best from the AI, not from yourself. So because you don't increase your self confidence or your IQ.
Okay, then the last one is L. L. Okay, I want to ask you a question. Maybe different before for the last two question.
Yes.
My question is, okay, if everyone can listen, will listen, why? Okay. Now I want to ask you about what the benefit if we still reading a book in this era. Reading a book, okay, a full of book. Maybe we usually can only searching or yeah searching just only to need an answer, only one answer maybe
Yes.
or answer. But
Yeah.
in a book there's lot of page, so we need read it. We will need more of reading, right?
Yes.
Not only read the question, read the answer, but read all of the word in the book, right?
Yeah.
And do you think that it's uh, good or yeah worth it for our time? Because you know we have uh, yeah we have a time, yeah, if we only read the question and answer it can only take short time, right? But
Yeah.
if we
Yeah.
read the book full of book, it will take a long time. Okay, what do you think?
Of course, there's so much benefits from reading a book, like literally a book or maybe ebook, no matter what it is. But uh, if you need some time efficient, maybe you need to learn from Google or maybe learn from AI. That's okay. But if you have so much time that maybe you don't know how to spend it, yeah, you can just read books, read so many books like motivational books or maybe novel. If you didn't like to learn too much, you can just read books that increase discipline. Like we have a schedule, maybe we have a schedule and there is some long time to spend.
Free
There is
time, free
free
time.
time that we don't know how to spend it. You can just feel it like to read some books, and the knowledge that we get from the books is, for me, it more like fresh, like more fresh than the AI one. So because if you search the answer or maybe search for some knowledge in AI, it feels like there is no vibes
Oh
to
yes.
learn there. Like you just search for the answer, not for the conclusion or for the explanation. Like, yeah, you feel you'll feel more lazy if you search from AI. But with books, everything's gonna feels more great lah.
Thank you, El. Okay, maybe the last one is from me as the host. I wanna give a conclusion about all of our discussion. Okay, maybe first is from Zulfikar. Uh, in my point of view, or I'm agree with Zulfikar that the digital and physical book has their pro and uh, cons. Yes, positive and negative. Like in digital book, we can read it anytime, anywhere. Right? But it's have negative, like has very much distraction, like notification and something like that. And uh, physical book is good because this has less of radiation, and for some reader it get more vibe of reading like the physical book. Like it's the first one. And about Satria, I'm agree too, because yeah, if we only search about answer and question in AI or in something else, it will make our confidence less, because we didn't uh, answer the question with ourselves, with our uh, effort, but we answer that with AI. Okay, and the last one is from L. I'm agree too, because yeah, reading book is still important in this era, because I have heard that reading book is will make a structure in your brain, so that you will have a good structure if you want to solve a problem, like you meet a problem in your life and you can solve it correctly with structure that have you learn in the book. So from us, thank you very much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.